So the next person I'm going to invite is the representative of His Excellency Senator Solomon Olamilekan Adeola Yayi. I have the pleasure of inviting Alhaji Fadil Olaniyi Ajadi.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadi wa ala ali Muhammad kama salata ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I stand on the existing protocol. Kabisi, the Olu of Elaro, Mokinsa. I have the singular honor to represent distinguished Senator Solomon Olamilekan Adeola, popularly known as Yayi, at today's event. He sent his love and his greetings. Unavoidably, he's not here today because of the exigency of duties in Abuja. Because right now, I think they are busy with the 2026 budget. So he asked me to express his regret for not being here personally, but he's here with you in spirit. What I have witnessed today is promotion of the Dean and celebration of brain and talent. Because by the time I came in, that was when they were calling the awardees who have excelled in various disciplines. And this shows that Islam, we don't have pushovers. We have talents, we have brain that can compete successfully anywhere in the world. So I'm happy that I am in this midst today, where I've seen what Ahmadiyya have been able to produce. And I pray to Allah in His wisdom to continue to promote Ahmadiyya and the Deen of Islam. I wish everybody here safe journey back to their destination. And I want to implore the Jama'ah here today that Ilaro is coming to the forefront of activities in Ogun State. Yes. And I want to implore you to pray that the next governor of Ogun State comes from this town. May Allah in His infinite wisdom accept all our prayers. I wish you safe journey back to your destination. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Muhammadur Rasulullah
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam.